Good day guys, Bing here. Today let's model this. This will be the result, and you can adjust the angle of these panels. Okay, so let's start. So first, we need to create a pattern-based family. And okay, so first, let's connect these two points and make it a reference line. Then place a point, use draw on face, place it on the midpoint. Okay, so I'm going to just show the work plans, so reference plans. So, and also uncheck this one. So these are the three reference plans. So we are going to use this angle to control the rotation angle. So let's first create an angle parameter. Okay, so angle parameter. Okay, so next step is, so if you look at this, so these 2 points, so see these 2 points control the size of the panel, and also it will be always be on this reference line. So when it rotates, it stays on this reference line. So this is the reference line. So we can just place a point, draw on face, and place it on this reference line. So 2 points. So select this point. So it's begin from this. So that's all good. Maybe we can change this to segment length, and then we can create a parameter. So to control the distance between this point and this point. So I'm going to call it maybe call it X, and instance, or maybe type. Okay, and okay. So this one, the same, flip it, so it measure from this point, change it to segment length, and associate it with this X. Okay, so now we can control this. Okay, and then we need to find another 2 points. Okay, so another 2 points, and these 2 points we need, because we need to rotate, we can't just create a reference line and do use the same method. So we need to use point and draw on work plan, set work plan. So this time pick the vertical, so this one, and place it on this point. Select this point, so drag it to this direction. So just roughly place it here. And we need to place another point, and same onto this reference work plan, and then place it on the point. Drag it to this direction. Okay, so now we need to work out the distance between this one and this one. Okay, so let's just do a dimension. Oh, no, not dimension. Sorry, we need to. So let me think. We need to create a parameter. So this time I'll call it y. Call it y, and also this one, because hang on, this is negative. Maybe we'll call it negative y. So y negative, and this one will be y. So I'll just create a new one, y, and I go to family types. Y negative equals negative y. Okay, so now we need to work out the relation between y and x. Okay, so let me just do a screenshot. And okay, so I just sorry, I need to pause. Okay, so because in this pattern-based family, so this patterns is always a rectangle, oh sorry, a square, and this equals this. But later on, when we adjust the pattern to this diamond shape, so I'll just draw it here. So it will become something like this. Okay, which means if we want, so this is the edge of this pattern, and then the panel will be this. Okay, so the edge, so this one parallel to with this one, and to achieve this, we can't. So this distance, so now this one is this one, and this one is this one. So to achieve the parallel, we can't have equal. We need, so if I connect this one, to achieve the parallel, so this, sorry, it's a little bit hard to, it's too small. So I'll just draw a bigger one. So in this triangle, so this is this part, okay, so this part. To achieve this parallel, so x, if I say this is x, this is y, and the full length is maybe a, the full length of this is b. To achieve the parallel, x minus y equals a minus b. Okay, so in this family, so a and b, we can get a minus b, use reporting parameter. So we just need to let's do it. So I'll select these 2 points. Okay, so and make it reference line, and set world plan. Pick the world plan on this reference line, do a dimension di, and then do a dimension between these two not adaptive point, but yeah, similar to adaptive points. Okay, so now we can create a reporting parameter. So I'll call it reporting 1 instance and the reporting. Okay, and we need another one. So same, set world plan first, and di dimension, and so RP2. Okay, so reporting. Now this is let me have a look, x. Okay, and this is y. This become a little bit tricky, so I'll just do another screenshot just to remind myself. So RP1, so RP1, so this is half RP1, but we can just use RP1. It's the same. RP2, because we're going to use RP1 minus RP2. Okay, so RP1 minus RP2 equals this minus this, which is that right? Yeah, I think that's correct. So this is, what's this one? This is RP1 divided by 2 minus y, right? And divided by, and this one, I think this one's x. Okay, so x, just I'll just write it here, RP1 minus 2, sorry, divided by 2 minus y, and then minus y, x. So we can get the formula. So y equals, so this x go up, RP1 times x equals RP1 divided by 2 minus y here, this one, you can still stay here, RP1. Oh, hang on, this is right, this is 2, right? This is 2, so RP2. Okay, so y, move y to here, y equals RP1 divided by 2 minus RP1 times x divided by RP2. So this is a formula. I'll just move this to my other screen so I can copy it into the formula. So y equals RP1 divided by 2 minus bracket RP1 times x divided by RP2. Okay. Yeah, probably we don't need a bracket, but yeah, that's all good. So that's it. Now, I believe I'll just have a test. Okay, so we probably, I think we still need this. So create this reference line. This reference line should parallel with this. So I'll just do a dimension. See? Hang on, I need to set our plan first. Maybe set to this one, ti. Yeah, so they are parallel. Good. So now we can. I'll just connect all these reference lines. Oops, wrong one. This one and this one. Reference and reference line. So this will be the shape. So if I just quickly do a solid shape, and you will see this is a panel, and it can be rotated. Okay, and also depending on the size of this grid. So if I change this to 4, and this panel size will also change, and we can also change the x, which is this point, and the distance between these 2 points. So if I type 600, so we'll reduce the size of the panel. Okay, so let's go create a new conceptual mass and have a test. I'll just very simple, oops, wrong one, spline, and create a form. Why it's negative? Go up, yep, and divided surface, and I'm going to change this to 45 degree with fixed distance and fixed distance, and I'm going to use same number. So, and also I want to adjust these angles a little bit more, so to create this. Okay, so now I think that's all good, and we can try to load this into this and apply it onto this divided surface. So, not right. Maybe we need to change this one to negative 45 degrees. And yeah, that's better. So now we just need to flip these two around so it become horizontal. Yeah. Okay, so let's try to tab select individual panel. So because these are default in setting 45 degree, so we can SA select all. Hang on. Oh, what's going on? SA, yeah, select all, change them to 0 degree. Yeah, good. So, and also we can change individual panels. So for example, 45 degree, 90 degree. Okay, and we can also adjust the distance between of these gaps. So 600. So if I change to 1 meter, so you will see the panel becomes smaller, right? And also we can add framings. Okay, so go back here. So I just quickly place a point, draw on face onto this reference line, and I quickly draw a circle, use draw on work plan, and maybe 100 work, and we only need two because if you have 4, and then they will be overlapping. Okay, so that's it. And let's just quickly, because if you look at this, it's not a flat panel, so it's a little bit curved in the middle, and so we can do that as well. So I'll just quickly show you. So go edit this panel. I'll keep that solid part, and we can just do it on the top of this. Oh, hang on. Maybe we can do, because the reference line is under here. So maybe let me just HH this solid form. I'm going to just, we can just place a point, use draw on face, set work plan, and pick the work plan, so this one, and then place it onto the point. So we can just try to select that new point and offset it. So you can control this one. So for example, I will offset it by, that looks like a lot, but yeah, that's fine. We'll have a test in that mess. And then create an arc. And at the top and this bottom, we can just place another 2 points, use draw on face. So for example, this one, yeah, flip it. Both I want to use 0.1, so a 10% of this reference line, these two reference line. And then we can do another 2 points. So this time I want to use 0.2. And then we can just create a reference line, another reference line. And then we can use a reference line together with this arc, create a form, and this arc, try to select the arc, yeah, oops, wrong one, this one, yeah, and this, create a form. And if you want to, you can also offset this arc. So currently it's sitting in the middle, so you can offset it, something like this. And HR, so we still have the solid part. Oh, hang on, so we have that, yeah, we need to cut these two triangle. So that's fine, we can do this. So I'll delete this. So in order to create this, so we just need to connect some points. Okay, so reference line, and this one, reference line, this one, and this one, reference line, and this one, and this one, so reference line. And then we can select these three, and we can create a solid. Okay, so it seems we need to go off, pull this in this direction, and I'll just type in maybe 100. Okay, and then that's it. Maybe we need a little bit more. It looks like too thin. Okay, so now let's have a test. Load this back into this mess, and okay, Yeah, it's interesting. That's a little bit, but I think the shape is close. Yeah, maybe we need to adjust the thickness a little bit. So you can just select this point, 500 for example, and load this back, overwrite. So I think it's close. Yeah. Oh, wrong direction. That's fine. We can just move this up. Or you can just rotate the whole panel by 180 degree. So instead of negative 45 degree, use 135 degree. Yep, I think that's better. And also, this one looks okay, and this one looks like it's wrong angle, maybe negative 45 degree. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, that's it. And then you can play with the angle to create some random patterns. That's it for today. I will upload this family for you and you can have a play. Okay, so thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.